wait for your question, sir.
As a personal experience about public speaking, I think about one thing you should join events involving public speaking. That's all.
Okay, we have to be confident in public speaking through eye contact with the audience, and then also maintain your sense of humor. And then another is usually you have a positive interaction between your audience. Thank you.
How was speaking in front of the class? How was public speaking in front of the class benefit you?
For me, public speaking in front of the class is it will improve me how the way I speak in front of the students. Then the way I speak becomes we know how to speak it fluently in front of the public. Okay, that's all. Thank you.
Mama, I'm just Emilio. This is my question. How can we gain confidence in public speaking?
Of course, to gain confidence, you must be well aware of your topic. You master your topic before you do public speaking. And of course, if you can practice in front of the mirror, it will be better because by that technique, you will be gaining more confidence because you can practice your speech.
This is my question. What are your tips to those who would like to improve in public speaking?
Okay. Regarding the question, some tips that I recommend is to attend seminars, attend webinars, attend skills training like ask for mentors, because like politicians, as you can see, during the campaign period, they are expert in public speaking. They know how to be enthusiasm to the public. Okay? Dayon, most of the people, even politicians, are having mentors. They ask for mentors because that's the shortest way how to gain confidence in public speaking. Okay? Thank you so much.
How was public speaking in front of the class benefit on you?
You can gain self-confidence and facing your students as well as discussing your topics.
Good afternoon, sir. I'm Justin Bonillo. This is my question. What are your tips to those who would like to improve in public speaking?
Okay, number one, you need to read a lot. It could be a novel, a story, anything. Just read. Number two, you need to know your audience. Because as a public speaker, you need to know your audience so that you know how to speak, what to speak, when to crack jokes, when to give humor, or not to give. Number three, you need to practice. Okay? Number four, you need to talk to people often. So you need to communicate, converse to people even though you don't know them. Even simple greetings, you need to talk. And that would be all. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. I'm Justin Bonillo. And this is my question. How was public speaking in front of the class benefit you?
With public speaking, it benefits me by giving me confidence and by sharing my ideas to my students, conveying my ideas to my students, and at the same time having a good communication between the teacher and the student. Any other question? Nora? Okay na?
Good afternoon. I'm Justin Bonillo. This is my question. How can we gain confidence
How can we gain confidence? I think you can gain confidence in public speaking if you are comfortable with if you're comfortable with the language. That means that you have to normalize speaking English. Like you should not feel awkward or weird if you speak English, so that when you're comfortable, then naturally you will be confident in speaking the language. You should not be conscious about your grammar, your pronunciation, your enunciation, and everything, because that will make you feel hindi ka confident. Hindi ka comfortable. So, dapat normalize na siya. Like, you should speak English every day. If you don't speak English, or I mean, if you don't practice public speaking, every time you have the opportunity, you will not gain the confidence. Thank you.